My name is Winiarska.
Hello, I'm R.Boch.
I'm a sociologist, a mediator, a cultural expert, and a trainer. I work as an assistant professor at the University of Warsaw, Poland.
I work as mediator, facilitator, and trainer. Supporting people in conflict and organizations in need is my daily bread, as well as trainings and workshops for business and university students.
We are very glad to invite you to our workshop.
Elements of peer mediation in the business and other organizations. Peer mediation is support given to parties in conflict by people in their environment, their peers.
In our workshop, we will aim to translate good practices and solutions from peer mediation in education into other organizations, including business ones. In many European countries, multicultural elements are also involved in such conflicts and conflict resolution processes.
In the beginning of this century, I worked almost 2 years in schools in Gothenburg, Sweden, and it took place in a very multicultural environment. It was inspiring.
The structure of the process must be prepared accurately and comprehensively, with appropriate diagnosis and wide focus on the whole institution or organization where the conflict takes place, as well as its surroundings.
The workshop will be interactive, with a lot of space for discussions and exchange of experiences and perspectives.
We are looking forward to meeting you at the workshop.